let's talk about the base tag. The base tag sets the base URL for all the relative links in your page. Here we're going to have simple page, and inside the body we're going to have several links. Let's say this URL, which is simple example web page that we have. And here if we have this link 1 here in the title of our link, you can see here we got our link 1 right here, and if we click this, we got this example domain. But if we want to have another additional things here, for example, let's say we want to go to page a.html inside of this. If we come back to our web page and refresh again and click, you can see this time we move to this page, which is this a.html. But let's say we want to have 3 links, which first one we want that to go to a.html, the second one we want to go to b.html, and third one to c.html. And now if we correct numbers 2, if we come back to our web page and refresh, you can see this is our links. Our first link is going to go to this a.html, our second one is going to go to b.html, and our third one is going to go to c.html. But this is complex and hard to manage. And here is where our base tag comes to our help. Here in the head part, we're going to have our base tag. Pay attention, our base tag is only allowed to use once in our web page, and it must be inside of our head tag. And here we're going to put the base URL that all of these have, which is going to be this URL of https example.com. And after having that here in the href, we can remove that from our links. And now, by only having this type of syntax right here, all of the links are going to work the same way as before. So if we come here again, if we refresh, if we come to link 1, you can see it still goes to example.com/a.html. With this fact that here we don't have that example.com. And again, if we check the second link, it's going to go to b.html, and of course our third one is going to go to c.html. And if we want to have another attributes to apply to all of our links, we can use that here in the base tag too. For example, let's say if we want to open our links in different tabs. So here we have this target blank here. By having this at the base, if we click this, it's going to open a new tab, as same as this one and this one. But if we want to have only one of them, we can remove this from the space, and let's say we want to have that on our second link. And this tag is very useful for big projects with lots of links that you include in your web page. And basically, it's managing assistant for your links. Subscribe for more quick HTML tips.